Today we are here at the first ever water super abundant community in Bangalore at Kanakpura Road, and these villas completely run on solar power. So at the entrance you'll be getting a two-car parking space, and to the left you have a very cute lawn area. So let's get your walkthrough. So this comes with a smart lock technology, and as you enter inside, here is your living area. As you walk along through the living area, you have a dining area along with a very beautiful balcony which can be spent as your me time with a beautiful garden inside. And right next to this, you have a breakfast table and a open modular kitchen concept. Right next to which you get a utility space, and there is also provision for lift to the upper stairs. Right next to which you have a common washroom, and here is the guest bedroom with an attached washroom and a wooden floor tiling with a wider window. So at the first floor we have a very spacious family space, and towards the right we have a kids bedroom which has a wider window for the natural light and an attached balcony where you will having a breathtaking view from the outside. Also, this comes with an attached washroom and a walk-in closet. So as you walk along towards the right of the family space, you have a very spacious master bedroom with the wider windows, an attached washroom and a walk-in closet. And comes with an attached balcony. Look at this wall frame, which is very unique, made of bricks. So at the second floor, you'll be having a fourth bedroom with an attached washroom and a wider window. Now, as we walk through the second floor, towards the left, we have a office space, which is very wide and has a lot of natural light. Now, let's have an access to the terrace. Look at the space. Look at this terrace space. Oh my God. This is the most unique and spacious terrace arrangement you'll be getting at the top floor of the villa. Lots of trees, natural light, and abundant oxygen. So, as you know, all these villas run on solar power, and which is almost equal to paying zero electricity because these solar powers are sent to the BESCOM and BESCOM instead pays to the customer for electricity consumed. So, this was about the 4 BHK villa at Kanakpura Road. For more details, contact the number given below. Thank you.